Ever looked up at that big beautiful rock in the sky and wondered, could we actually live there? It sounds like science fiction, but the dream of a lunar base is closer to reality than you might think. So can we establish a base on the moon? Let's dive in and explore what it would take. First off, why even go back to the moon? Well, it's not just about planting a flag and taking cool pictures. A lunar base would be an incredible scientific outpost. Imagine telescopes on the moon's far side, free from Earth's light pollution and atmospheric interference, peering into the deepest mysteries of the universe. Geologists could study the moon's history, which is also a window into the early days of our own planet. Plus, the moon is a perfect stepping stone. It's a low-gravity launch pad for future missions to Mars and beyond. Think of it as humanity's first off-world gas station and research park. So, what are the biggest challenges? There are quite a few. The moon is not exactly a five-star resort. First, there's the extreme environment. Daytime temperatures can soar to over 120 degrees Celsius, and at night, they plummet to a bone-chilling minus 170 degrees. Then there's the radiation. Without a thick atmosphere or a global magnetic field like Earth's, the lunar surface is constantly bombarded with cosmic rays and solar radiation. And let's not forget the micrometeoroids, tiny specks of space rock zipping around at incredible speeds that could puncture a habitat or a spacesuit. But don't worry, scientists and engineers are already cooking up some brilliant solutions. For the extreme temperatures and radiation, the answer might be to go underground. We could use natural lava tubes, ancient volcanic caves that are surprisingly spacious, or build habitats, and then cover them with lunar regolith, which is the loose soil and dust on the surface. This regolith is a fantastic insulator and radiation shield. Some concepts even involve 3D printing structures directly on the moon using this local material. Imagine giant robotic printers building our future homes, layer by layer from moon dust. Another massive hurdle is resources. We can't just keep shipping everything from Earth, it's incredibly expensive. The key is to live off the land, and here's the exciting part. We've found water ice on the moon, hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. This is a game changer. Water can be used for drinking, growing food, and crucially, it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is for breathing, and hydrogen and oxygen together make rocket fuel. By harvesting this ice, a lunar base could become self-sustaining. We could also extract oxygen directly from the lunar rocks, which are rich in silicon and oxygen. So how would we build it? The process would likely be modular and robotic. First, we'd send robotic scouts to map out the best locations and resources. Then, we'd land construction robots and the initial habitat modules. These could be inflatable structures that expand once on the surface, or prefabricated segments that snap together like cosmic LEGOs. Early crews would be small, focusing on setting up essential systems like life support, power generation using solar panels, and water extraction plants. Gradually, the base would expand, with greenhouses for growing fresh food and more advanced research labs. The dream of a bustling city on the moon might still be a few generations away, but a permanent scientific and exploratory outpost? That's on the horizon. Programs like NASA's Artemis mission are actively working to return humans to the moon with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence. It's a monumental undertaking, requiring international collaboration and incredible innovation. But just think of the possibilities it unlocks: a future where humanity is a multiplanetary species, with our celestial neighbor serving as the first step into the cosmos. What do you think? Are you excited about the prospect of a lunar base? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey to our future home on the moon, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into science and space. Thanks for watching.